Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Amazon Store Card for account setup step by step clearly. To register for an Amazon Store Card, begin by visiting the Amazon website. Ensure you are signed in to your Amazon account. If you do not have an account, click on the Create Your Amazon Account button. Follow the prompts to enter your name, email address, and password. Once your account is set up, return to the Amazon homepage. Scroll down to the footer section and look for Amazon Store Card. Click on the Amazon Store Card link to get started. You will be redirected to the Amazon Store Card application page. Review the benefits and features of the card presented on the page. Click on the Apply Now button to proceed with your application. Fill in the required personal information, including your name, address, and phone number. Provide your date of birth and your social security number for identification. Enter your annual income as prompted during the application process. Review the terms and conditions carefully before proceeding. Once you have confirmed your information is accurate, click on the Submit button. You will receive an application status notification, either instantly or via email. Follow any additional prompts if your application requires further information. If approved, you will receive your Amazon Store Card details via email or through your account. Log into your account to view your new card information and manage your settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.